they're knocked out.
And Sophia, they're all knocked out. We're on the way to the arcade, right?
Yeah. But it's good though because it's a little drive, so.
Hey, and I shaved my beard again. I just can't stop. Like I like the look like that. Like
I think he looks good. Like
if he has a beard, yeah. It looks a little masculine.
Yeah. He always asks me like, oh, what should I do? What should I do? And I'm like, I feel like he looks good regardless of like if he has a beard or if he has a goatee, anything. I feel like he looks good, in my opinion. But yeah, we're on the freeway. I just headed over there ready to have some fun with the family.
It's in the city of industry. It's what is it called? Smocha? Spocha? Round one Spocha?
Yeah.
I've never been there. We've been to a round one, I think in Lakewood.
Yeah, we've never been to this one.
But yeah, we've never been to this one.
It was recommended by my sister. She's like, oh, you should go to this one. So we're gonna try it out.
The boys have been excited all week because Michael just got out of school.
Summer break.
So he's on summer break, and I want to, start it off right. Take him out somewhere.
Yeah.
Somewhere fun, start the summer off right. And actually, it's crazy because today the sun is finally out.
Feels like summer.
It feels like summer. It's a little hot. I want it to be hotter. I like when it's hot. So it's a little warm. It feels summer vibes, and
yeah, it feels good.
So it's like perfect day. We're gonna take you guys with us to the arcade.
Yeah.
Probably mess around with my boys, of course, play with them.
Yeah.
And I think me and Val are gonna have a couple drinks, maybe.
Yes, a couple.
Nothing too crazy.
Nothing too crazy for Father's Day weekend, cause Daddy's Day.
For Daddy.
Yeah, but so we're gonna go ahead and take you guys around. So we'll catch up to you guys once we're there.
I just want you to come for me. Put it on me. Relax and come chill with me. Kick back, I got what you need. Won't you just put it on me?
Alright guys, so we arrived to our destination. Got the kids up and everything.
I was looking for the closest parking, couldn't find it, so whatever. We're gonna have to park a little far. It's a little packed right here. First time here, first timers. Come on, let's hop up.
Look at Ben stretching over there.
Hey, what's up with you guys?
I don't know if you guys saw him, but we're getting off the car, so I will go ahead and see you guys in there. Let me show you guys Sophia though first, because she's the cutest thing ever. We just got her these little toys and they're so cute. Mama, good morning. Can't see her with the big old thing in the way anyways. Hold on.
Hey Mike, let me see your shoes. Check out their shoes. We got them some shoes. Benji, let me see your shoes. You like them? Yeah. I got Valley's I got her those probably like how long ago, babe?
In January.
Like in January, something like that. Those are hard right there too. Daddy doesn't really get anything for himself. It's all good. Nah, I'm just joking.
Mom, my shoes
are they want to see Sophia. Hey, they want to see Sophia. Let me see her.
Let me see.
Babe, you put the toy on.
Yeah, so they can. She got something to play with. She's sleepy still.
She's sleepy. She got her shots.
She showered, that's why.
Tell them about the shots she got yesterday.
Yeah, she got her 4-month shot, so it's 2 shots, 1 on each thigh, and then the oral medicine.
Look at the kids' haircuts. Let me see. Benji, like to the forward. I want to see your haircut from the back. Look down a little bit. That's sick right there. A little baseball haircut, something different. Let's go. We're right here, round 1, Spocha.
Spocha.
All you can play. We don't see about that.
Spocha.
What about all you can eat?
Oh, it's Spocha because it's sport.
Alright, you guys, we just got in here. What's up? Where's
Spocha, the kids are
Michael
jumping
and Ben? They're over there jumping. They're over there. I don't want to record other kids. I feel weird about doing that, so I'm not gonna record other kids. But we're here. Check it out. Baby girl's still knocked out. Okay, we're gonna go get some food right now. Go get some food and maybe some drinks. Let's go. Come on, baby. Where's it at? Over here, no? Some food and some drinks.
We've already got it. Alright, so we're here, guys, and we ordered food. It's all here, but they went to go check out the batting cages before they eat, and then they're gonna come back. But I figured I would just show you guys what we got to eat. Yeah, everything looks pretty good. And baby girl's still sleeping. But they'll come back right now so you can see them. They got back already, look.
Hey, this is very juicy right here.
Good? Hey, babe, over there, they got basketball, pitching, so you can pitch, batting cages, and it's not that packed, bro.
That's good. And got the
Hey, this shit looks fire, man. I've been wanting pizza too.
I know. About to dig in again, about to grub.
Man, I don't usually eat like this, bro. Always eating chicken and rice, ground beef and rice, fish and rice. Oh shit.
We're about to devour that pizza.
Oh yeah, bro. I'm gonna
Let's
eat.
see that bite.
I've been wanting pizza too.
See that cheese pool.
We're stirring it.
Oh, I didn't have it.
We're gonna make it.
Bomb. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and eat this delicious food. Them lemon pepper wings, the fries.
You like it, Benji? Yeah.
And then we'll go ahead and show you what we're gonna do later. Look at him still going in.
Val didn't want her last piece, so I said.
I tapped him in, Yeah!
Valerie put her bones on that plate, bro.
No, no, look at my plate.
No, but in all seriousness. Well, I used to weigh 265, right?
Yeah.
And I used to just eat a lot. Like,
Tell him, baby, tell him.
well, now, like, I'm 179, okay? And I'm fit. I stay on diet. The diet's not even hard to me no more. So when I do get a chance to eat like this,
He eats.
I'm gonna eat. Right? Because I know tomorrow I'm gonna be in the gym. I'm gonna be back in the gym. Be back to my diet. Monday through Friday, I'm on point on my diet.
You ain't lying.
I don't pick from my kids' plates during the week. Like I don't, if I get a McDonald's, I don't pick at their fries. I don't do any of that. I'm on point.
Yeah. Look at, he devoured everything right here. Everything gone. That's trash.
They got some good pizza right here though.
Yeah, they have good stuff here. It's pretty good. You want to try some icy that they put ice cream in? Looks pretty good.
I don't know if any of you remember Burger King. They used to put vanilla ice cream in their slushie.
That's what they do here.
And that used to be fire. I'm gonna get that.
That's what they do here. I'm trying to wait for the little commercial thingy that they post right here. Look. Is that it? No. Oh, right there. Look, look, look. Watch it, watch. Look. Look. Look at that. It's pretty fun. The kids went to the batting cages to go see if they could go that right here. Look. This is what it looks like. For the kids, there's a lot of stuff to do, and it wasn't that like I feel like it's pretty good price for what you do and stuff.
Fuck off, fly got on my shit, bro. A fly got on my pizza, which means that's it.
Alright, we're gonna go throw a couple and see what the kids are up to.
Oh, yeah, nothing right here, bro?
You went in the batting cages? He's at the 70 miles per hour.
That was open for the sound. Damn. Hey, Chris. Doing that after you ate is not the move.
No, you look good though.
I was cracking them, bro.
Yeah.
Could have played for the Dodgers.
For the doggies.
Oh, they're playing the whole game?
I think so.
Take it back, look at that. Why you look
Like, we were playing. Right there, my baby. Sophia, mama.
Come here, baby girl. Yeah, like, what the hell y'all been doing this whole time? Come on, baby. Oh, stretchy, stretchy, stretch. Stretchy, stretchy, stretch. Look where we at, girl.
What's going on here?
We're at the arcade, baby girl. Look, brothers are playing soccer right now.
Oh, she's gonna fall.
Take her. Let's go, Michael, let's go. Put your foot in there.
We're right here. He wants to go watch them look.
Oh no! Oh no! No!
I don't know if you see that. He's all into them. He's like watching them play. He's like, I want to put him in soccer.
You're just playing that way, okay? Hear me?
Benji! What's up? Why you not playing no more?
Hey, Charles.
Let's go play some games. Look at their Your mate playing ice hockey. Oh my bad. I'm playing for teams. Look, me and Ben.
Air hockey.
Air hockey, my bad. It's hard to record and play at the same time. We just made a goal. It's 2-1, right?
No, it's 200.
Oh, that's
Good luck, good luck. Let's go. Oh!
300 to 100. That's what I suck, guys. Press the yellow button on the side. We're starting over. Look, 0-0. Go, Ben.
Oh, this is teams. Me and Ben, me and Ben. Hurry, hurry. Oh, my God.
left Spocha already. We're leaving.
To the movies.
I think Dad's gonna take us to the movies. We're not sure yet, but he said something about Spider-Man. So we're walking to the car. We had to walk a little distance.
Yeah,
It feels good though. It feels like summer, guys. It feels really good. Where are we at, guys?
So we're right here at Smorology. I seen it on Instagram and I wanted to try it out. Well, I'm not even gonna get anything. I'm gonna get something for the kids. I'm gonna just try it. Sophia like, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it, Dad. Let's do it, Dad.
Let them eat, guys. I want to get some people.
Smorology, but the traffic though, they were going fast.
The traffic, but the parking. I had to park in this liquor store over there.
Show them
It's a
where
burrito
the spot we
spot.
are.
Yeah, I did.
You get over here though. Get over here.
Smorology. I really don't know about this place. He's the one that said.
What's
Can I
up,
get
bro?
something to drink and eat?
Yeah, man, whatever. Banana brulee.
Mama, I'm just happy to be here, y'all.
I'm just happy to be here. I mean, it's looking crazy. It's not my first rodeo. I've been places. I've done it all.
I know how to act. I don't act up.
It's fire.
I don't like to go to a lot of places. I steal all the attention, so I try to just lay low, man. I just try to lay low.
It's fire. It's fire. Yes, I like it. I want to show back from the UP.
We all make voices.
I know. Everybody has a different voice. Right?
Fire. Look, it's fire.
Okay, stay on this side. You too, man. You sit over here too.
Same Naruto maker.
Oh, this is.
So I bought a water right now. So I walked all the way to that liquor store, right? So I was thirsty. I bought a water. Val went to the car, and then she leaves the water that I just bought. Big old smart water.
Guys. Because that didn't tell her.
Exactly. No. What had happened was I was going to the car to go get the baby a blanket, and then he said, "Hey babe, take the water. I can't even drink it right now." So what does that sound like? Like take the water and leave it in the car, right?
No, take it and take care of it and bring it back.
No, you have to get her a blanket, and then when you put it with the water, the blanket's gonna be cold as heck.
Show me inside. Look, check it out.
So we're here at Smorology. We're almost close.
When we get closer, I think it'll be better.
Yeah, but they have a lot of good stuff out there. They're over there.
I am not with the.
So when we order, you can say a different name.
Why did you say not the top? Girl, you trying to fuck.
So I ran back to the car to get my water.
Friday.
Thirsty, bro.
What does it go? That's fine.
Every time we eat like junk food, like we had pizza right now. That shit made me so thirsty. I think because all the salt they use inside of it, I was thirsty, bro.
Oh, it was red.
I'm not gonna eat it. But fine, you greedy bastard. Oh, no, chicken.
Oh, this is it.
Bradbury.
I'm pretty sure you saw all that.
Well, this is right Oh, yeah. I've been inside. So I'm gonna go see it. Oh, this is.
So we just ordered it right now, and Michael was like, no, Valerie, she was like, hey, put it under a different name.
And he put it on Naruto.
So they're gonna call us out right now. Naruto.
My name is Naruto. Yeehaw. Hey, I got myself a
I think they're getting our order ready.
Why you think that?
Because that guy looked over here like.
What?
I'm getting myself an Oreo cheesecake milkshake.
Well, no, I'm saying, like, I think he knows that it's us.
Valerie can be so awkward sometimes, I swear, bro. She's an awkward person.
I noticed that about myself.
Come on. God damn it.
choking you.
I'm not choking him.
I can't.
Hey, why are you awkward?
Born that way. You really knocked out.
Ew.
But it changed it up.
I'm getting myself some Oreo cheesecake milkshake.
You're sounding good, bro. We'll see right now. First time here. First time here. The hazelberry, yeah. That's what she recommended to you, right?
She just said no Nutella, low key.
No Nutella?
I don't really like Nutella.
Watch it.
It's like chocolate. It's like chocolate. I don't really like chocolate. I'm not a chocolate person.
Pay attention to the audience. Weirdo!
Everyone's like, oh!
The Dodgers lost.
Bro, the
15
Dodgers lost.
nothing.
Yeah.
Embarrassing.
Today,
And to the losers team ever.
Giants. They barely have 0 good players. We got like
Barely have
42 good players.
42.
Mind your beeswax.
He said, mind driven like Austin.
That guy is slick right there with his words.
I know. You better watch your tone tomorrow. No! Oh, that's our name.
Oh, look. I think they're going to say our name right now.
Oh, and my worker.
That's my worker.
Hey, wait up, bro.
And that's your cheerleader.
Benji.
That's your cheerleader. Go on.
Wait.
Your name's what they call, babies.
Tell them we had to switch to the phone, right? Tell
We
them.
had to switch to the phone. Sorry. The camera died. Yeah, this camera died. I don't know why, but I could beat it up.
Hey, Brandon.
As you need to fill
Michael, what is your
around
name?
the room before you think
my goddamn
it's
camera,
things
son.
that make something much like Arizona. My eyes don't share tears, but
I'm thinking about you. Oh, I'm thinking
I've
about
been
you.
thinking about you.
Oh, do you think about me still?
Julia, or do not think
So far ahead. Cause I've been thinking about So we're recording so we can try to catch them saying our Naruto name, but I don't know.
Yeah, I think they didn't. I think they forgot about my name.
It's just a waiting game right now, buddy.
What the? Beat everyone up. We're already on 125. That could have been Naruto. What is a Naruto? What is that?
Yeah, we're
He's
waiting for
been
him.
knocked out after.
Naruto? Oh, that's Naruto? That's it? Oh, I didn't even hear it. Let's go. Come on. Go. Yeah, let's put there. Thank you so much, buddy.
Oreo cheesecake shake?
Oreo cheesecake, that's you, right? Thank you.
Here's a very smart.
Thank you so much. Here, babe.
Oh.
Cookie Monster?
This is guys. Here.
The Zayama Cookie Monster.
The PB&J.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, bro. Let's go. Come on. Come try it. Yes, wait, it's cherry. Couldn't even wait. Okay. Oh, damn. Let me see what you got, baby boy. That one looks good, bro. The sauce right there. And that like that.
I already ate the cherry.
They already ate the cherry. Look, it's right there.